Ew, what's that? Wait, come back. What is that? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be looking at my skin under a microscope. I've seen this video floating around on YouTube and I can't remember the exact person that started it, so I'll have it in the description box down below so I can credit them accordingly. But yeah, I'm going to be looking at my skin under a microscope. I saw this video, like I said, floating around and I was just like, I really want to do that. There are some creepy parts. So if you want to see what my skin looks like under a microscope, make sure you keep on watching. I don't have any, what's it called on my face right now? Any moisturizer. That's why I look gross. I've already checked this and my sister was actually trying to get it in focus for me and it scared the crap out of me what I saw. I don't know if I'm ready for it. That is so creepy. No. What is that? Guys, I feel like I'm moving to... What in the world? Why does it look like that? Is that really my pores? I don't believe it. Why is there like red things in there? Oh my god, that's a hair. Do you see that?
They're like white.
Why does it look like that? It looks ashy. Maybe the light's too much. Can you turn down the light? Okay, let's see if we can change the, what's it called of it? The focus. Okay, I guess that's really zoomed in. Okay, so I guess right there. Is that, okay, that is so creepy. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my problem areas, which is like this little part right here on my face. I have these weird little bumps, and I know you guys can come for me, but everyone has their own skin issues or skin problems. And for me, it's these tiny little bumps that just won't go away. And I've already seen an esthetician about them, and she basically said they're like little tiny blackheads. So, I don't know. She gave me some stuff to get rid of it, so we'll see. Okay, let's just focus on this one, this annoying one right here. I don't see it. Where are you? I feel like I'm like looking for treasure. Oh, y'all see that hair? Oh, that is so creepy. Oh, I think that's my brow. Ew, what's that? Wait, come back. What is that? What is that black thing? You see that?
Go up even more. What is that?
This is so creepy. I don't think anyone should be doing this. What are you? Okay, so I had this weird pimple that just popped up out of nowhere. We're gonna find out what she looks like. Oh my god, there she is. Ew! Oh my god. Oh my god. Why does it look giant? Let's try my brows. See what brows look. Oh, look at the hair. We're getting to the tail where it's super sparse. Oh, yup. There's nothing there. No hair. I'm gonna take off one of my brows and see what that looks like. I did get my brows microbladed a few weeks ago, like 2 months ago maybe. Yeah, 2 months ago. So let's see what that looks like. I wonder if we can tell what's microblading and what's the actual brow hairs. So
Do the palm of your hand.
Ooh.
Holy!
Was that hair?
I don't know what that was.
I'm scared. That was not hair. I refuse. Yo, is that hair? That's not hair.
That's hair.
Wait, what? How? That's a freaking lie. Whatever, I'm done. I'm putting moisturizer on my face now because I'm a little freaked out. I'm just gonna use a serum that I have here. It's the Tata Harper Resurfacing Serum. Just doing something really quick so we can jump into the video. Ooh, you know what I should have done? My under eyes. They are cracked and dry as f. Okay. Then moisturizer. All right, we have moisturized skin, glowy skin. This is what I tell you guys when I say my skin is dry. Like, it is dry. Let's see if the moisture makes a difference. Yeah, my skin looks not ashy like it was looking before. Oh, that is creepy.
What is that? Your pores?
Probably. Oh my god. I'm disgusted. Let's check on the other side. My skin looks so much better. So look, I'm not ashy no more. That's so funny. Let's find our friend. See what she looks like with lotion on. I think that's her. She doesn't look as terrifying without the moisturizer. I'm kind of shook. You're still going away though. Still can't stay on the face. I'm sorry. Let's check the brows out again. Looking at hair under the microscope is really creepy. That wasn't as eventful as like the dry skin one. That one, the dry skin one was scary. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a full face of foundation, concealer, powder, blush, highlight, everything, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna look at it under the microscope again. Hopefully nothing scary is gonna happen because we've had enough events for one day. So I just did my base makeup pretty much really quickly since we're just focusing on the skin. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. I'm a little nervous. Hopefully it doesn't look crazy. We'll start with this side. Oh, you can see my highlight. Okay, let's try and get it to focus. You'll see all that glitter? That's highlighter. It looks so funny like this. It doesn't look as like, you see how like it looks so blended and like even and smooth here? Here, it looks so crazy. It looks like glitter, like chunks of glitter. That is so funny. All right, let's move away from the highlight. Let's try here. I feel like I can see where the makeup kind of sunk into the skin a little. Do you see that? A little. Like sunk into like the little fine lines of my skin just a little bit. Not as much as I expected though. Let's try my smile line. If we can find her. I think that's my smile line right there. Hi. I honestly was expecting this to sink into my skin a lot more than it did, but it really doesn't look bad. And I don't look dry. I was expecting my skin to go back to the dryness that I had earlier, but it doesn't look like that at all. It looks like how makeup is supposed to, the idea of makeup is supposed to sit on your skin and not, you don't want makeup to sink into your pores. And I saw a little bit of sinking, but not as much as I expected. Those little dots right there. Those are the ones that I'm always trying to get rid of. I don't understand it. What are y'all? Go away. I've always had them. Like ever since I was younger, and it's so weird. They're so random. They go away like when I'm really religious about my skincare, like, which I always am, but like when I switch it up and change my skincare just a little bit, they go away, but then they come right back. This is honestly so creepy, but this is what my brows look like. The hair is like the creepiest part for me, I think. Yeah, the hair just gives me the creeps. Ugh, it makes my skin crawl. Oh yeah, I'm done. Alrighty guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I honestly was expecting such a huge difference between bare face and a full face of makeup on, but it really wasn't that big of a difference. Dry skin to moisturize was scary. But moisturized to just a full face of makeup wasn't really as bad as I thought it was gonna be. So I think that's all I have for this video. If you've enjoyed it, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We literally just hit 700,000. Thank you guys so much. That is such a surreal number. Like, what? Yeah. That's so crazy. Thank you guys so much. Like, that's insane. I will be celebrating my 2-year anniversary here on YouTube in like October. And to think that we're already at 700,000 is like insane. You guys are always the sweetest. I want you guys to know how much you guys mean to me and how much all the love and support you guys have been giving me all this time. This entire process, this entire journey has meant to me. I'm just so thankful for all of you guys, and 700K is just like literally surreal. It's insane. I never imagined getting to here, but now we are on the road to 1 million. So if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you turn on your notifications. It's somewhere over here. You just hit the button once. You'll be notified of all the videos that I post. Thank you guys so much for watching. Lots of love, and I'll see you guys next time.